accuse her. I don't want to curse her bad words. It's really hurt with her reputation. For me, like I said before, for Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. Teacher May is always to say, oh, it's not really good to make cyberbullying in social media. Have you never heard about the social media etiquette when we discussed that with Teacher May in 2018? During the time of Pope Francis about the Catholic Bishop of Conference of the Philippines? Oh, current events, ha? Teacher May discussed that in current events. You do not know what you're doing, Paulo Cruzada. Why did you accuse Teacher May? Why did you accuse Teacher May? For example, you insulting Teacher May. For example, you want to threaten to hostage Teacher May in Messenger. Teacher May had already saw the conversation in Messenger. And what you said, what does Paulo Cruzada says? I-hostage ko si Teacher May. Oh, ako ang ISIS ng bayan. That's the word. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May doesn't do anything to you. She is my former teacher when I was there in CDIFI. She is my former teacher, former teacher. She's if she's my enemy, if she's not my teacher, she is still my former teacher. Oh, why did you do that? Teacher Marisa had already saw the messages. Oh, when I told it to Jordan Pilapil, why did you do that to Teacher May? Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May doesn't do anything to you, all right? Because Teacher May, she is very retired. She's in the age retirement. Oh, for example, I was asked my mom, um, um, sino ba ang principal sa CDIFI? Oh, Teacher Julie. Oh, Teacher Julie doesn't retired also, but Teacher Evelyn is in the house. She is retired. Oh, Eyo, Paulo Cruzada, why are you harassing Teacher May that she is retired? Oh, would you ever harass Teacher May in online, in Messenger? And why do you still criticize Teacher May? If Teacher May is a pro Duterte, if she is anti-Marcos, oh, she and her nephew, Rafael, Isabella, that was her niece, all of them are pro Duterte. The brother of Teacher May, pro Duterte. Oh, the mother of Teacher May, Lola Helen Tiburcio, pro Duterte. Why did you do that to Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada? Have mercy to that person. For me, I do not want to fight with you, Paulo Cruzada. With all due respect, since without Ate Pura, there's Ate Rona as well. Oh, Ate Rona says to me, wag mo guluhin si Teacher May. Oh, like I said, unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, when I message Teacher Vincent and Teacher Gio, I start a mess with them. I start to make fake account on Facebook. I try to bully them. What did I do? This is my fault for what I did to them. I explained to Jerick Silva, I promised to Jerick Silva, I promised to Ate Rona that I will never harass Teacher Vincent and Teacher Gio. Oh, I already stopped. Like you didn't learn how to stop. Even Lorraine Shook, she doesn't do anything to you. You know, Paulo Cruzada, ha? Just please respect Teacher May's privacy. Give her a space. Stop harassing her. Stop tolerating at her. All the times you tolerate at her, all the times you bully at her many, many times, and you're threatening her to be a hostage. Paulo Cruzada, there is Anti-Safe Space Act. Remember that. You need to stop harassing Teacher May. And then you, Paulo Cruzada, you want to ruin Teacher May's reputation, and that's cyber libel. Have you never have you never been scolded by Teacher Connie? Huh? Paulo Cruzada? You do not know what you're doing. For me, I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, can't you just leave Lorraine Shook and Teacher May alone? Tantanan mo na sila, that's why. You know, for me, Paulo Cruzada, just leave Teacher May alone. She is retired. She's not doing anything to you. She has nothing to do anything to you. Just leave her alone. I talked with Jardino. Teacher May is my longtime teacher when I was in CDIFI. And that was a friend of Eris Clemente. Oh, you don't know who Teacher May is. You don't know who is your teacher who was formerly in CDIFI year 1995 until 2003. I mean 1995 until 2022. Oh, the Teacher May was already retired. Oh, 2003 I came in CDIFI. I encountered Teacher May that she is was a teacher yet. Oh, when I realized her, she is still my former teacher. Oh, why did you do that? Why did you say you want to keep hostage a Teacher May? If Teacher May seen this in the messenger, even in the chats or something, she will file the she will file the complaint against Paulo Cruzada. She will file the complaint, you know, she will file the cases of complaint against Paulo Cruzada. Oh, just remember, Paulo Cruzada, makakasuhan ka pala ni Teacher May. You know that. Because I know Teacher May has lots of lawsuit. Oh, cyber libel. Oh, you know what you did to Joseph Maspinas? Cyber libel. You know what you did to Teacher May, Tiburcio? Cyber libel. Paulo Cruzada, have respect with Teacher May. If Teacher May is anti-Marcos, if she's a pro-Duterte, if she's a pro-Sara, that's her own opinion. Like you, Paulo Cruzada, oh, you are pro Bongbong Marcos, you are pro Marcos loyalist. Oh, why are you harassing Teacher May? Her family members are anti-Marcos. Even that her mother was, even that her nephew, Rafael, the friend of Jetro Lopez, and her niece, Isabella. As for me, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. Teacher May has already been a victim of scam of Bongbong Marcos. I don't think in last 2022, Teacher May voted Bongbong Marcos. But she realized that she voted Bongbong Marcos because of Sara Duterte. Oh, as you know, the Teacher May Tiburcio was victim of scam. She was a victim of scam by Bongbong Marcos. The budol pala si Teacher May dahil kay Bongbong Marcos. And now Teacher May became an anti-Marcos. So she's joining with Ate Isa, Ate Nenet, especially me and my other friends who were Duterte supporters. Even my other classmates of CDIFI are anti-Marcos. Oh, they are pro-Duterte. Would you likely to realize, unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, when you harass Teacher May, I just want to explain to you, ah, the mother of Teacher May is a witness when she realized about the martial law of Marcos Sr., beating thousands of Filipinos who were starved to the death. And also during the time of Marcos Sr., he is the responsible of the massacre of the Jabida massacre in Corregidor Island, mostly Filipino Muslims who were Shia and Sunnis. And during the time of the assassination of Ninoy, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is responsible of assassinating of Ninoy. That is really what happened is. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, when you idolize Marcos Sr., you should never be a bad influence. Teacher May is always kind at me. You don't know who she was. Oh, take a look, Paulo Cruzada. If you see in her YouTube of Riz 23, that's Teacher May's YouTube account. Just call Paulo Cruzada. You don't know what you're doing. Teacher May is really retired, and then you still kept harassing her. You make a rape joke at Teacher May, and even you're threatening Teacher May as a hostage, and you're saying about you're an ISIS. Teacher May doesn't do anything to you. Can you know, Paulo Cruzada, that Ronald Rebena had said to you, maya ka naman. Oh, inad mo pala ang teacher sa CDIFI sa group chat. You know, that is your fault. Do not harass Teacher May. You know, me and Ralph Guevara, we are encounter with Teacher May during during in my class. Oh, since without Ate Pura, Ate Pura is already retired in CDIFI, there's Ate Rona. Ate Rona is the one who in charge who replaced um, Ate Pura. And now Ate Rona was still there. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, don't do that to Teacher May. Teacher May is just like uh, she's just like Ate Lot, or she's just like Ate Nenet, she's just like Ate Mirasol, the mother of Paulo Siaco. Don't do that to Teacher May. I'm warning you, Paulo Cruzada. Do not harass my former teacher.